I got him doing his honeydews.
Huh?
I got some honeydews coming for this poor man. He thinks he's gonna retire. Carry them bags, you. Don't stop. Don't breathe. Don't complain either. Okay. See my smiling face? Okay, back to work. Oh, you're doing such a sweet job, Danny. Just two left to go. You're so sweet. Oh, honey.